Tiny. Oh, what the heck? Sun's not.
Look up to the sky, heads are flying by. In the land with no heads, fools hanging to trees. Where love is like a muddy river reddened by frozen heat. But the green fields go out and out under the sun.
Нормально. Давай.
In the land with no heads, fools hanging to trees. Where love is like a muddy
Что, едем?
Loading, I don't know, it's not going in gear, look. Yeah. Okay, but it's drifting good. We gotta test it out. The front's got no grip.
Yeah. Air down?
Let's air down, actually. That's a great idea. Do you have a stick of any kind?
Yeah.
What do you have?
Smells like tires.
Well, yeah, just blasts through. Almost. I'll find a little stick. I got it. Roman, some bark. I got it. Yeah, yeah. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Give me the cap.
I got it. I got
For
it.
that side.
There's only one.
There's something up. Sounds good.
Okay.
Where's the spot anyone actually go?
Ooh.
Wait, is that a corner light?
No, no. This thing shifts hard,
Yeah.
and that's a car driving. I should not have left that open.
You slam brakes? You slam brakes?
I did.
Yeah, I saw it. It worked super good over there. It looked like, it felt like handbrakes.
Wanted, but I can't seem to control it. I don't know. Maybe I'm just not used to just strong brakes here. Right here, just too much grip on the rear. And I tried to keep going, but it just didn't.
You gotta.
I know, that's how I did it. That's why it broke
when you
loose.
Clutch kick, hold the clutch longer.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing.
Okay, turn around.
I've been. Just go. Ooh, I'm so far away from the pedals. Wait. Okay, ready? No
down
car?
there, but you're clear.
Ah,
That's down there. Go. And there's a car up there. Oh, first gear?
I didn't expect that. So just keep holding it.
Long first gear is. What do you keep it?
To just keep holding it out.
Like I said, first gear is stupid long.
It is.
Same sound.
What is that?
It's on the right, front right.
Rom, we go there. Yeah, left.
That's
No
right.
cars on the right.
No cars. There we go. Fire.
We can go in here. I don't know. It's closed off. Ready? All right, hitting it.
That's reverse. Like, there you go. Damn! The whole car jumped. That was sick. The car's like,
This thing just. I don't. Try the reverse entry right here. Well, actually, why not?
Try to turn around and use some brake.
Okay. What is that?
I don't know. I haven't fun. Oh, perfect time. That's your throw out bearing. Go. Or your transmission. One or the other.
Why is it making so much noise?
Because it's busted.
I actually don't know. Okay, the turn is pretty far. Ready?
Yeah, ready. I was taking it for clear on traffic. Okay, let me out. I need to record that from the outside.
All right, 1% on the GoPro. Please don't die. Woo! You don't want to dip after that?
Go back and do reverse.
All right, bet. All right, here we go. Woo! That was. Transmission noises, no. The transmission making so much noise. Hop in.
I'm so pissed.
Why'd you get out in the middle of the road?
It's fine. I recorded in slow motion.